Are you concerned about the activities in your kitchen when you're not around? Do you want to keep an eye on your housekeeper or check if your kids are sneaking snacks before dinner? Well, fret no more. In the realm of modern home security, the demand for discreet and efficient kitchen surveillance has never been greater. This is where spy cameras come in. They are designed to blend into your kitchen seamlessly, and these cameras provide you with the peace of mind you truly deserve. We have listed the top 5 best spy cameras for kitchens in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each spy camera in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is BALUGINA Hidden Clock 4K Spy Camera. When it comes to selecting the finest spy camera for your kitchen in 2024, the BALUGINA Hidden Clock 4K Spy Camera stands out for numerous compelling reasons. Operating flawlessly on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, the BALUGINA Hidden Clock Spy Camera ensures a speedy Wi-Fi connection. Setting up this camera is a breeze and can be accomplished effortlessly in just 5 minutes using the user-friendly Tuya Smart app. Simply plug it in, connect, and you're good to go. It is equipped with 2 PCS enhanced 850nm IR lights, and the BALUGINA Hidden Clock Spy Camera captures impeccable surveillance footage even on the darkest nights. Unlike its competitors that utilize 940nm IR lights, this camera delivers more detailed and long-distance vision, surpassing expectations. With crystal-clear 4K high-definition video streaming and an ultra-wide 160-degree angle lens, it offers an unrivaled surveillance experience. Distinguished by its clever clock disguise, this spy camera stands out from the rest. Its hidden design seamlessly blends into any kitchen decor, rendering it practically invisible to the untrained eye. With compact dimensions of 4.8 by 1.4 by 2.3 inches, it avoids unnecessary attention, making it the perfect choice for discreet surveillance in your kitchen. If you're interested in this wireless small hidden spy camera, check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is Newwings Hidden Camera. In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, keeping a watchful eye on your kitchen has always posed a challenge. The top spy cameras for kitchens in 2024 offer a perfect blend of innovation and discretion, allowing you to monitor your home effortlessly. This exquisitely designed 8.7-inch clock ingeniously conceals a powerful built-in 1080p video camera, capable of capturing footage without arousing even the slightest suspicion. Notably, it ensures utmost privacy by excluding audio recordings, providing you with unparalleled peace of mind. This intelligent camera springs into action automatically upon detecting movement, ensuring that only relevant footage is recorded. This not only saves significant storage space but also spares you the tiresome task of sifting through unnecessary recordings. It requires Wi-Fi connectivity and simple software installation. With a hassle-free setup, you can insert a micro SD card, supporting up to 128 GB, not included, flip the switch, and let the camera record uninterrupted for 6 hours. The clock's dimensions, which measure 9.06 by 8.98 by 2.48 inches, have been meticulously calibrated to harmonize with any kitchen decor, ensuring it seamlessly blends in. Moreover, it is recommended to utilize a Class 10 32GB card for optimal performance. If you want to purchase this spy camera right now, then check out the link given in the description box. Number 3 is the YYCAMUS Clock Hidden Camera. The YYCAMUS Clock Hidden Camera is one of the most versatile choices for those seeking top-notch spy cameras for their kitchens in 2024. With its wide-angle lens that offers a 120 degrees field of view, this discreet camera captures every detail with exceptional clarity and comprehensive coverage. Whether you need to monitor your kitchen, living area, or office, this hidden camera provides the perfect solution to ensure your safety and peace of mind. With its ability to deliver real 1080p HD live video, it can provide clear and crisp footage and seamlessly connects to 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi networks, ensuring you can capture every moment vividly. This camera excels in low-light or pitch-black conditions thanks to its impressive night vision capabilities. The motion detection feature is a crucial element of this spy camera. It intelligently detects any movement and promptly sends screenshot alerts to your smartphone whenever there is any unauthorized activity in your kitchen or home. The YYCAMUS Clock Hidden Camera also provides the convenience of using a micro SD card, up to 128 GB, or an app for video storage. Moreover, its after-sales support is exceptional. Its responsive team is always ready to assist you within 24 hours if you encounter any issues. And if you like this spy hidden camera, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the PAMBRUM Mini Hidden Camera. In today's world, where security and peace of mind take precedence, the quest for the finest kitchen spy cameras in 2024 has led us to remarkable innovations. The PAMBRUM Mini Hidden Camera emerges as an outstanding choice for those seeking discreet surveillance without compromising on quality. This cutting-edge mini spy cam is meticulously crafted to meet indoor and outdoor needs. With its impeccable 1080p HD loop recording, it captures crystal-clear footage, ensuring every single detail is captured with precision and nothing goes unnoticed. The package includes 2 lenses for easy installation, the default 140 degrees wide-angle lens and an additional 90 degrees angle lens. This versatility allows you to customize the camera to suit your requirements effortlessly. Once connected to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, you can remotely access live video from anywhere worldwide, ensuring constant home or office surveillance. This spy camera is distinguished by its remarkable 24/7 loop recording capability. It supports up to a 128 GB memory card, not included, and can operate for approximately 2 hours on a full charge. To ensure uninterrupted monitoring, you have the option to connect it to a power source. The recorded footage is stored on the SD card, with the camera automatically overwriting the oldest recordings when the card is full, ensuring that no moment goes unnoticed. To get this spy camera right now, click on the link in the description box below. Number 5 is the OVEHEL 64GB Spy Hidden Camera. The OVEHEL 64GB Spy Hidden Camera is a comprehensive solution for your kitchen surveillance needs in 2024. This state-of-the-art spy camera is a true game-changer, boasting an impressive array of features that set it apart as one of the top spy cameras for kitchens. With a built-in 64GB micro SD card, this spy camera is ready to use right out of the box, eliminating the need for purchasing additional storage cards. Furthermore, it is expandable, supporting up to a 128GB TF card, providing ample space to store all your footage. It is equipped with a robust 1200 mAh battery, and this camera offers continuous recording for approximately 5 to 7 hours, a significant improvement over traditional mini cameras that typically last only 70 minutes. With its compact dimensions of 5.12 by 3.98 by 1.57 inches, this camera can be discreetly placed in your kitchen without drawing attention. It is an indispensable tool for monitoring your home and loved ones. The OVEHEL Spy Camera offers outstanding video quality with its HD 1080p resolution and a wide 120-degree lens. It excels in capturing clear footage even in low-light or pitch-dark conditions, thanks to its 10 infrared lights. This makes it the ideal choice for nighttime surveillance purposes. So, to buy this hidden spy camera, check out the link mentioned in the description box below. After reviewing each of the top 5 best spy cameras for kitchens in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. No matter what your surveillance needs are, one of these best spy cameras should definitely fulfill them. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that you are always protected. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.